Here's an update from Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace.
Midland Country Club in Midland, Michigan is seeking a golf course superintendent who possesses a great passion for the game of golf, tremendous care for the well-being and development of their team, and a desire to be part of a club whose vision is to continue to evolve as the premier club in mid-Michigan. Lauded by industry experts as the club of the future, Midland has undergone a stunning transformation encompassing every aspect of its operations. This includes a revitalized pool and aquatics complex, a new 92,000 square foot clubhouse, an entirely revamped golf course, and a cutting-edge 30,000 square foot golf course maintenance facility. The club hosts over 3,000 events annually, from weddings and receptions to business meetings, corporate functions, and private dinners. Additionally, the club is honored to be the venue for the Dow Championship, a prominent LPGA Tour event committed through 2029. Salary is open and commensurate with qualifications and experience. For a complete position profile and application instructions, consult the Kopplin, Kuebler, and Wallace website under current openings.
For more information, visit kknw.com.